Next in CSS, we are going to work with flex direction. So this is our emit code, and here within body section, I'm creating parent class. So dot parent, enter. This is our first div, main div. Inside this div, it will have 4 child divs. So child, this is going to be a first div, child div. I'm writing C1 for it. Dot child, this is our C2 child. Dot C3, and this is our last C4 child. Save, and right now it is looking like this in our browser. C1, C2, C3, C4. Right now we haven't declared anything in head section, so this is our style tag in head section, and within style tag I'm giving parent class. Right now this class is not flex. By writing display flags, it is going to make this class a flex box. We can see that all the children are in same row. Here I'm going to give background color to it. Background color to aqua. So it has got a background color of aqua. Better to give border here instead of background color. Border to 1 pixel solid black. Save. So it has got a border. Now I'm creating a child class. Child, and to this child class I'm giving background color of aqua. Save. So we can see that it has got aqua color as a background. Now I'm giving margin also, because color is mixing. So margin of 2 pixel. Save and go live. So we can see that there is a margin of 2 pixel between C1, C2, C3 and C4. Now here I'm giving flex direction. So one more thing, before that, here we are giving width and height of these children. Width I'm giving is 100 pixel, and height I'm giving is 100 pixel. Save. So this is these children have got width and height of 100 pixel and 100 pixel, and there's a margin of 2 pixel in between them. So this is a flex box which is containing 4 children, and by default their direction is horizontal. Now here I'm using flex direction. It has many values, but we'll be doing this column reverse, row, and row reverse. So first of all I'm putting here column. Save it and go live. So we can see that initially it was horizontal, now it is vertical. Instead of column, if I say column reverse, save and go live, we can see that C4 is at the top and C1 is at the bottom. Similarly, if instead of column, if I put here row, save, so now it is in the form of row. Now if I put here row reverse, save, so we can see that C1, C2, C3, C4 is first here, C3, C2, C1, it is completely reversed.